Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to present you a way how you can use the formulas and what kind of formulas you can actually use in Asana. Right now it's pretty limited what you can do in Asana, but I think in the future they will improve it. Now I will update the video. Let me down below in the comments when it will change and you're watching the past video like 1 year back. So right now you have option to choose the column functions, these 5 of these. So you see right here that, let's say I have a revenue of 250, 250 and 500. And I have option to choose between the sum function. Then I can simply choose the average function, minimum function, maximum function, like which one is the maximum of these. So let's say it would be like 1000 and this would be 100. Minimum is 100. And then count is 5 of how many of these are. And then you see again the sum it's going to calculate. It's really pity that even until this moment you won't be able to find like the formulas in Asana. Like I'll be really happy if they would like add it there, because Asana is so quick, so fast, and it's amazing project management tool that you can use. But still, it's nothing like it could be better, much better. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can use it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some support. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya. And let me down below in comments your thoughts on if they should implement the formulas or no.